How to change the color of notes on Instagram. Well, changing the color of the notes is a new feature that has just been updated. So you have to make sure that your application Instagram is up to date. Head over to App Store and then in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here you can see that your application is up to date because the update option is not available. So once you have the latest version of the app, open the app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into your inbox section at the top right corner of the screen. And then here at the top left corner, the option of your notes will be visible to you. You can also see that the color of the notes of other people is not the same. In order to change it, tap on your notes. So in here, you have to make sure that the notes that you enter must include the word gold. You only have the option to change the color to gold. So let me type in everything is gold and then tap on share at the top right corner of the screen. There you go, you can see that the color of the notes has been changed. Likewise, if you do not include the word gold, then your color will not be changed. You can see that the color has not been changed. So make sure that whenever you enter the notes, you include the word gold if you want to change your color to gold. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your color of the notes on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.